Today we'll be solving the valid parenthesis question on Leetcode platform. So as we discussed in the theoretical lecture, that we create a map between the closing brackets and the opening brackets, and then we create a stack. So stack of character, stack is equal to new stack. And then what we said is that we will be going through each character, let's call them bracket, and we will convert our string to a char array. Okay, and then we need to see that if our map contains this bracket, which means that this is a opening bracket, and then for this we will check at the top of the stack. If the stack is empty, then what we said is that we will just assign it a random symbol, let's call it X. Otherwise, if the stack is not empty, we'll peek at the top of the stack, basically getting the value that is there at the top of the stack and assign it to the top. Now we need to check if the current character at the top of the stack is equal to it's matching opening bracket in the map, right? So if it's not, then it means that it is not a valid parenthesis string, and in that case we return false. If it is valid, so basically for the current closing bracket, let's say we have this closing bracket and at the top of the stack is this opening bracket, then what we can do, we can pop from the stack. Otherwise we know that it's an opening bracket, so we will push this to the top of the stack. And finally, what we have to check is that whether our stack is empty or not. So this concludes our algorithm to check if this given string is valid or not. Let's just run it once to see if it is passing the test case or not. It does pass for the sample test case. Let's now submit this problem. And yes, it passes for all the test cases. So we are done with problem 5, given a string as if it is a valid parenthesis string or not. Thank you.